Ladies and gentlemen, she's on the floor. She's alive. Well, we're gonna find out. But just about everything is put on. We're gonna be waiting for the max solenoid to get in here. Double check to make sure if it has any leaks or whatever it may be. But she's on the floor. She's sitting pretty, relatively clean, and yeah, we're gonna give her a little start to make sure everything is all right and to make sure that she's alive. Here goes nothing. Perfect. Still got a couple things loose, but she's alive. She is 100% breathing. Give you guys a couple little revs, nothing too crazy because I just have a regular off-the-shelf twin turbo tune. So she's working. Got a whole bunch of lights, but don't worry about that. It's a BMW, you know. But she's alive, guys. So thank you for joining in on the ride for these past 7-8 days. I appreciate everybody that has watched the videos. There's a lot more videos to come. I'm gonna be doing mic improvement, gonna be doing camera improvements, so on and so forth, full detail on the car, absolutely everything, change headliner. We're gonna go crazy, you know, do fog lights, so on and so forth. So we're definitely not done, but this is the start of where I wanted